One good thing that every scuba diver needs is a good dive operator to organise the diving that you can trust, and that's why we're highlighting Eurodivers today, because they run trips around the world from classic destinations to some more exotic dive sites. Hello to all you amazing scuba divers out there, and welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite spot for the latest diving news, gear reviews and all things scuba diving. Yes, today I'm talking about Eurodivers, a recent TripAdvisor award winner who have many affiliate dive centres around the world, but who are Eurodivers? Eurodivers Worldwide is a long-established scuba diving and water sports company that specialises in turning just beach holidays into underwater adventures. Founded by Swiss divers in 1972, the company has built its identity around safe, professional, resort-based diving in some of the world's most attractive marine destinations. Today, Eurodivers presents itself as a dive operator and a partner for divers, snorkelers, families, beginners, experienced scuba divers, and anyone who wants water sports as a part of a resort stay. Its appeal comes from the combination of global experience, carefully chosen destinations, PADI training, multilingual staff, and a strong emphasis on safety and customer care. Eurodivers offers diving activities across a range of warm water destinations. Highlights include Egypt, Japan, the Maldives, Mauritius, the Canary Islands, Spain, Costa Brava, and Thailand. One of Eurodivers' strongest destination areas is the Maldives, where the company operates at several resort locations. The Maldives is especially important to Eurodivers because it offers a classic tropical diving. Just coral reefs, manta rays, whale sharks, warm water, and excellent visibility. The Maldives are suitable for both beginners and advanced divers, with diving available year-round and water temperatures commonly between 28 and 30 degrees Celsius, so nice and warm. In Egypt, Eurodivers operates at Utopia Beach Club in the Marshal Alam area. This destination gives guests access to the Red Sea, known for colourful coral gardens, tropical fish, wreck diving, dolphins, and larger marine life. Eurodivers' own site describes its Egyptian centre as offering access to Marshal Alam's marine life and wrecks, making it a very strong choice for divers who want a classic Red Sea conditions without travelling as far as the Indian Ocean. In Japan, Eurodivers operates at Club Med Kabira in Ishigaki, Okinawa. This gives divers access to the 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐿𝐵 Islands, an area associated with manta ray sightings and rich macro life. This is an interesting contrast to some of the tropical resort destinations because it combines Japanese culture with subtropical diving, making it suitable for travellers who have visited most of the classic dive locations and now they want something different. In Mauritius, Eurodivers has two locations. Mauritius offers Indian Ocean diving with coral reefs, colourful reef fish, turtles, moray eels, caverns and some wrecks. Eurodivers also notes that non-Club Med guests are welcome to join its diving trips or courses, making its Mauritius operations accessible beyond resort residents. However, it's subject to availability in certain seasons. In Spain, and the Canary Islands, Eurodivers offers Mediterranean and Atlantic diving. Its destination information mentions roses on the Costa Brava and Lanzarote in the Canary Islands. These locations offer a different style of diving from the Maldives and the Red Sea, with volcanic landscapes, Mediterranean reefs, protected marine areas, and encounters such as rays, sharks, groupers, and even mola mola in the Costa Brava region. In Thailand, Eurodivers operates at Club Med Phuket. Phuket is a major scuba diving hub in Southeast Asia, and Eurodivers highlights access to sites such as Shark Point, Koh Phi Phi, and the King Cruiser wreck. This makes Thailand a good option for divers who want kind of a mix of resort comfort, Asian travel, warm water diving, and well-known day trips. Eurodivers provides a broad range of scuba diving, training, snorkeling, water sports and excursion services. At the core of its business are guided scuba dives and diving holidays. Guests can book dives at resort-based dive centres and explore local reefs, wrecks, channels, lagoons, marine life hotspots, all depending on the destination. The company promotes its tailor-made diving holidays and packages, positioning itself as a provider that can support both relaxed holiday divers and more serious scuba enthusiasts. Training is another major part of what Eurodivers offers. The company runs PADI courses from beginner level up to instructor level with multilingual instructors across its dive centres. In Egypt, it's SSI courses, which are offered to their guests. For beginners, you can begin with a shallow trial dive with the Discover Scuba Diving experience and then move into a full certification course. More experienced divers can take advanced, rescue, specialty or professional level training. Eurodivers also provides water sports and excursions, particularly in the Maldives. These include things like parasailing, jet skiing, water skiing, stand-up paddleboarding, glass-bottomed kayaks. There's a huge range of non-scuba diving options if you just kind of want to mix things up on your trip, or if you're anybody with you doesn't dive, they can do something related. It also offers experiences such as manta search snorkeling, turtle snorkeling, dolphin cruises, and Sea of Stars bioluminescence excursions in select locations for something specific. This mix of scuba diving and surface water sports matters because not everyone on a beach holiday is a certified diver. A couple going on holiday, a family or a group may include one diver and several non-divers. So Eurodivers' broader range of activities really helps to make that holiday work for everyone, not just for the person who wants to spend every morning underwater. Eurodivers really stands out first because of its experience and benefits for returning divers. Eurodivers offers certified enriched air divers, free nitrox at participating dive centres, and a 15% discount for repeat guests. So these features are especially attractive for regular divers because nitrox is amazing on multi-dive days, and repetitive discounts are just great because of the range of destinations that you can go. You can benefit from those discounts whilst exploring different places. You don't have to go back to the same place over and over again. A diver can choose like the Maldives for their manta rays and whale sharks, and then go to Egypt for Red Sea reefs and wrecks, Mauritius for Indian Ocean reefs and caverns, Thailand for Phuket day trips, Japan for the big manta rays and macro life, or Spain or the Mediterranean and the Canary Islands for their diving. This range really means that Eurodivers can appeal to different budgets, different flight routes, different experience levels, and of course different types of holidays. And as a company that was founded in 1972, Eurodivers has had decades to develop operating procedures, instructor training, resort partnerships, and destination knowledge. In diving, of course, experience matters because guests are not only buying just an entertainment package, they're trusting an operator with safety, equipment, training, boats and local conditions, and emergency planning. Eurodivers' own site emphasizes safety, expertise, customer relationships, and environmental protection as 4 of the pillars of its reputation. Its multilingual PADI instruction is a major strength. Diving courses involve, of course, safety critical information, so learning in a language that the guest understands well is a real advantage. Each PADI 5-star dive centre employs highly qualified multilingual instructors and teaches courses from beginner to professional levels in guests' native languages. In conclusion, Eurodivers is a very strong choice for scuba diving holidays because it combines professional diving operations in global destinations, structured PADI training, other water sports, and just decades of experience. It's not just selling dives, it's selling complete marine holidays. For beginners, it offers a very safe and accessible path into scuba diving. For certified divers, it offers guided diving, advanced training, nitrox, destination variety, and access to some of the world's most memorable underwater environments. And that combination is what makes Eurodivers really stand out in the crowded diving holiday market. For more information, head over to the Eurodivers website by clicking on this link, and if you've ever dived with them, let us know what your experiences were like. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hype it for the algorithm, and of course subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching everybody, and of course, safe diving.